Here we go. 1959 Corvette. Dual quads on there. Left the hood off for right now. It does have a snorkel hood. Kind of an ex-race car. Kind of, you know, now it's a little more streetable.
Sorta.
Yeah, sorta. You know,
I'm afraid.
Got a lot of gauges. Got some big Mickey Thompsons on there. Got a 350. Dual quads. Got some real Carters on there, not the fake Carters. Yeah, this is a kind of a radical machine here, you know. Got front disc brakes they put on there. Got Dana rear end. And, you know,
It's basically an X-drag car.
Yeah.
You can tell.
You can tell it's an X-drag car.
Got a bunch of tubing welded on underneath. It used to have a cage. Tried to turn it into a street car. You can cruise it back and forth to maybe the car show or something like that, but you want to be a little careful if you're not going to go long distance in this one.
Yeah, no, this is just for fun. Or if you want to make another drag car. Yeah, we're taking it easy. We're not punching it yet. We're crazy, but not that crazy.
My life insurance doesn't cover this.
Yeah. You gotta take the corners a little slow with those big Mickey Thompsons in the back.
Woohoo!
Yeah, got very little suspension, you know? We're not drag racing stuff. But it's an eye catcher, that's for sure. All right, coming up to motion picture here. Motion picture land. All right, look at this little race car here. 59 Chevy Corvette Pro Street, you know. Get a lot of attention in this car. It's got a 350 in it. Dual quads. Offenhauser aluminum intake. It's got a 350 turbo tranny. Got a B&M competition shifter that we'll show you in a sec. It's got a Dana 60 that I'll show you underneath there when I go around. It's got strange axles, Weld Dragstar wheels with some 31-inch Mickey Thompsons. It's got the 4-link setup. Probably, my guess, ex-race car. You know, a little more streetable now. Still crazy, man, crazy. Show you the interior on this. It's all there. There you go. Got some extra gauges down there. There's your shifter with Mr. Skull on there. Little Bluetooth graphic equalizer kind of set up. And let's see here. Let's see if I can get underneath. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Some coilovers. Big tires on that thing. All right, here's the power plant here. 350. It's got some real Carter AFBs. Yeah. There you go. It's got some headers on there. Aluminum radiator. Let me go around the other side. It's all set up pretty nice, runs good, starts up. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and start this thing up. Yeah, it runs pretty good. I'll let you listen to the exhaust on it. Alrighty, so we got this here car, California Cars. We're in Simi Valley, 818-591-1313. Give Richard Gary a call. Be more than happy to show you the vehicle. Thanks for watching.